how to make a loading screen in Roblox Studio. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to of course open our game on Roblox Studio. And then once you do that, once you're here, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the toolbox, which is located on the left screen. After that, what we're going to do is to click on the creator store, which is right here. And then on the search bar, just search for loading screen and then click enter. Once you do that, you will see this loading screen right here, which is the GUI. So just choose which one you prefer. And then after that, let's say for example, you want to use this. So just click on that. And then after that, what we're going to do is to click on OK. Once you do that, you will see this loading screen. So we're going to put this under the replicated first, which is right there. Just double click on that and then click local script. In this part, if you want to change your code right there, it's up to you. So let's say, for example, you want to change the background, the text, and so on. And then after that, that should be it. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to make a loading screen in Roblox Studio.